Hi, I'm Manjit Singh Bhatti, Vice President Solution Engineer for Automotive at Cloud Analogy. I joined in March 2025, but my journey in the automotive IT domain spans over 35 years, which holds my experiences with industry leaders like Maruti Suzuki, Honda Motorcycle, Motherson, Hyundai Motor, and Kia Motor India. From leading enterprise transformations at Hyundai Automotive to shaping digital strategies across the industry, I've always believed in one thing: technology should empower people and businesses, not just exist for the sake of it. Now, at Cloud Analogy, I get to combine that vision with a team that truly cares about impact, innovation, and the people behind the technology. When I look back at my career, I see a clear thread solving real business problems through technology. I have worked across automotive, telecom, and manufacturing, creating systems that improve dealer operations, enhance customer experiences, and simplify complex processes. What drives me every day is the moment when a solution clicks, when a dealer, a customer, or a team sees the real difference our work makes. That's when all the late nights, the problem solving, and the strategy truly matter. What excites me the most about Cloud Analogy is the culture. It's not just a workplace, it's a community where diversity, equality, and inclusion are lived every day. Here, different voices, experiences, and perspectives don't just exist, they thrive. Everyone is encouraged to share ideas, challenge assumptions, and lead initiatives no matter their background. Equality ensures that opportunity is available to all, and inclusion makes sure that every contribution is heard, valued, and celebrated. This isn't just feel-good talk, it's the secret behind why our solution work. Because when people feel empowered, supported, and respected, they deliver ideas, innovation, and results that transform businesses. It's a culture where teams grow together, clients succeed together, and the impact is real and lasting. My focus is on technology-led transformation for the automotive industry with expertise in dealer management system and workshop automation, streamlining operations from sales to service, advanced analytics and predictive insights, turning data into actionable intelligence, CRM for sales, service, and marketing, enhancing customer engagement and loyalty. Connected vehicles, ADAS and telematics, innovating mobility solution for the future. SAP integration and enterprise solution, building seamless scalable systems. Mobile app development and UX strategies, creating intuitive, powerful user experiences. If you're a client in the automotive sector, partnering with Cloud Analogy means more than just implementing system. It means having a team that understands your business, anticipates your challenges, and innovates solutions that last. It means solutions that work for the people, empower teams, and drive real results. That's the combination of deep domain expertise and a culture built on inclusion and collaboration, the kind that turns technology into transformation. If you are ready to reimagine automotive operations, enhance CRM, or innovate mobility solution, let's start the conversation. Cloud Analogy, we don't just deliver technology, we deliver impact, growth, and meaningful change. Reach out and let's explore how we can create the next chapter of success together.